All exits are clearly marked and are being pointed out to you now. Please take a moment to locate your nearest exit, bearing in mind that this may be behind you. Opening the doors automatically inflates the evacuation slides. High heel shoes must be taken off as they may tear the seat. Study the safety card in your seat area, as this includes important safety information.
With your pick of footwear and fashion.
今日唔睇啦，我要食嘢啦。
Effort for like doing this stuff whilst being a
There's a light in each new day. If the moon gives up rising, the sun stops it shining, you know you'll have a hand to hold. As we wait on the timing, together we find it. There's more than one way to go home. I know you're tired of this pattern. One up and three below. You're chasing after what matters. Your heart knows where to go. If the moon gives up rising, the sun stops it shining, you know you'll have a hand to hold. As we wait on the timing, together we find it. There's more than one way to go home. If the moon gives up rising, the sun stops it shining, you know you've got a hand to hold. As we wait on the timing, together we find it. There's more than one way to go home. Yeah, there's more than one way to go home.
Now, if you want to add a bit of smoke in there, you can add the Isla, but you have to be really careful with it. Smoke is a really overpowering flavour, and it could overpower the entire blend.
Any longer. You're a
Blended malts, so single malts are all from one distillery. Blended whiskies are doing our whiskies in. So our lowland should be on the left. So if you pick up your glasses on the wood beneath it, it should have a little number. You turn it around the right way. And we're going to be going from 1 all the way up to 4, because 4 is our island. It also has sherry and wine in there as well. But you can kind of see it's got like a lovely kind of hint of smells we're picking up. You've got kind of notes.
At the end, I can feel like the pear, or like is it pear? Pear? Pear.
Yeah.
Yes.
Really nice, it's really sweet.